Hey guys, I just want to go through something. I had a question regarding when you're making the Google Sheets. Sometimes the charge is being put in as like zero, and that's just a default that when you have a value that's really, really small, sometimes Google Sheets just automatically puts it to zero. So here's an example, like when you have to, oopsie, I went away. Um, um, what you can do, everything's falling apart. What you can do is if these two buttons here can increase or decrease the decimal places. So like if you see, if I decrease the decimal places, this value um, makes it zero or makes it look like there's not an actual value there, even though there should be a value in there. Um, and so what I can do is I can increase that decimal place, and that's going to give me the ability to have the values that I want. Okay, so that's going to be a way that you can make sure that if you were to type in um, a really small value, that Google Sheets is actually recognizing that. And let me just show. So if I um, maybe my charge is 6 microcoulombs. Well, that's 0.0. That's milli. So that's 6 times 10 to the negative 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. So that's micro. So that's 6 microcoulombs, right? And so it shows that there, right? Again, if I were to have just kind of, if I were to have this here, right, and type it in, it's going to show a 0, 0. But if I double click, or if I click there and increase my decimal places, it should show up. Okay, so hopefully that can help you guys as you're working through the lab and inputting really small values into Google Sheets.